Hi everyone at EcoMAX class. I'm Duarte, one of the co-founders of Mossy Earth.
And I'm here in the beautiful and snowy Southern Carpathian mountains where we have just finished planting 150 trees for you this fall.
The Carpathian Mountains are home to some of Europe's last remaining true wilderness areas. With large tracts of old-growth forest, they are home to the largest population of bears, wolves, and lynx. Sadly, this ecosystem hangs in the balance. Years of illegal logging have severely damaged huge areas of forest and exposed the mountainside to erosion. Your trees will have a huge impact, not only in helping to reforest these barren clearcuts, but preventing soil erosion and restoring key ecosystems for the local wildlife.
So I just wanted to finish this message with a really big thank you on behalf of everyone here at Mossy Earth for enabling our work, enabling our nature restoration efforts, and especially in such a complicated year as 2020. So I hope you're all staying safe and happy holidays.